In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to a specific date in Google Calendar. If you're like me and sometimes need to plan far in advance or revisit important events from the past, knowing how to quickly find a specific date on your Google Calendar can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and make you a calendar navigation pro. First off, make sure you have Google Calendar open on your desktop browser. When you have it up, glance over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll find a handy little tool known as the mini calendar, positioned above your list of calendars. This is not just a simple view of the current month, it's actually a powerful tool for quickly locating specific dates. To use the mini calendar, you simply need to click on the current month and year displayed at the top. When you do this, a date picker will open up, revealing the entire month and some quick navigation options. You can easily flip through the months using the arrows to either side. Once you spot the date you're interested in, simply click on it. Immediately, you'll see your main calendar jump to that day, giving you a detailed view of your schedule. If you're looking for a faster, keyboard-centric way to navigate, Google Calendar offers a nifty shortcut. While you have the calendar open, simply press the letter G on your keyboard. It's a super convenient feature that brings up a small dialog box inviting you to enter a date. You want to input the date using the format specific to your location. For instance, if you're in the US, you might use the MMDD format. After typing in your chosen date, hit the Enter key. Voila! The calendar will take you directly to your specified date. Both methods I've shown you today are designed to maximize efficiency, allowing you to swiftly navigate through time with just a few clicks or keystrokes. Whether you prefer the visual interaction with the mini calendar or the rapid power of the Go to Date shortcut, you'll find either method can significantly enhance your productivity and planning prowess. And there you have it. With these tips, navigating Google Calendar by date should feel a lot more intuitive and less of a hassle. Whether for work projects, personal events, or simply keeping track of daily appointments, these tricks will serve you well. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!